Hello guys, welcome to another Vanlife travel episode. Not really more of traveling episode, but this weekend I'm taking my kids with me on another kind of work or play adventure. So stay tuned. Andito ulit kami sa aming lupa. Kasi there's a lot of work that needs to be done. So we're gonna sleep here. Anyway, we have the van. The van is our home. Okay.
Ano?
Kumain na kayo guys. Dito muna kami sa loob kasi hindi pa na set up sa labas and maraming langgam, maligas sa Bisaya. No, not insect. Katong nagbite ba, maligas, langgam yan. Ants ba?
Langgam din. Ants.
Uy, Tagalog langgam yan oh.
Weird.
Maligas yan sa Bisaya kasi guys. Okay.
Nga ang langgam sa Bisaya kay kuan katong bird.
Langgam or ano ba yan? Ants. Lamigas kasi yan sa amin eh. So, nashock sila ng langgam pala yun.
Langgam
Like,
sa bird.
Gee. In Bisaya, langgam is a bird. They were giving me this whatever faces. Anyway, kain na tayo guys. Kain na. Kasi magano kami bukas. We're gonna tagtangon na to mangwata sa mga weeds, no? We're gonna pull out the weeds. So tomorrow, we're gonna pull out the weeds. We're planning to wake up early and pull out the weeds. So, at lunchtime, we can go home. Kasi nag-invite ng lunch yung auntie ko. So, we're gonna have to wake up early and probably hit the beach. Kasi malapit sa beach dito eh. Not the actual, what do you call this one? Not the actual lot. Yung lupa. Hindi talaga siya kaharap ng beach, but malapit sa beach. That's our sleeping arrangement for tonight. Ang cozy na ba? But I think we're gonna close that window over there. Yeah. And we're gonna leave the back door open. And I guess this one kasi wala naman, safe. Ayan. Ito, we're gonna put a shower so we can at least half bath while we sleep para hindi kami mainitan. And Duke brought his bike with him, and they're the kids. Ayan, nag-chill sa ilalim ng kahoy. Mga kahoy. Ayan. So I replaced the lights with this kasi it can be attached to a USB port. Good morning guys. So able to sleep really well, and now we're trying to continue the episodes that we missed last night. We're watching All of Us Are Dead. All of Us Are Dead, is that the movie? It's a Korean not a movie, it's a series. It's a Korean series. All of Us Are Dead.
Let go of me. Please come down. I want to die.
So on top of the thing, an extension of like Duke's feet is could be over here or here. Basta hindi lang siya kasi this sink is it's very rough edges, so we have to cover it with this.
I have nobody.
Yes, so it's the three of us sleeping here. It's my space here. Yeah.
I have nowhere to go, and no one
It's
waiting
time
for
for breakfast. So, may nakuha tayong mga gabi, guys. Lutuin natin to.
Ano, Ben? Uy! Ano? Wala na ito. Uy! Ikaw lang mag-dulo.
Healthy ang laundry. Ano itong balayan? Baka healthy ang laundry. Good. Pagod na kami and we have a lunch appointment. Joke. Lunch invitation. But before that, we still have time. We're gonna head off to some. We're gonna swim. We're gonna do some quick swimming. Sa malapit lang. Hindi siguro aabot ng 5 minutes. Nasa beach na kami. So, let's go, guys! Dito na kami. And Juke is still on his bike. This is the beach. Yes. This is the same spot we've been to before. But it was raining. Pumunta kami dito. And it's a public beach. There's lots of people. Bibili muna kami ng mainom. It's really thirsty. Nakaso.